Hey, good morning. Today we're going to make some breakfast, and I'm going to use the Power XL air fryer oven, and we're going to make breakfast pizzas. Very easy. If you've got an air fryer for Christmas of any kind, this is a nice little recipe that you can make to start the day. So try it out. I'll show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use some Black Label fully cooked bacon strips. I don't know if you've ever used these, but usually we put them in the microwave for a few seconds in a paper towel. Today I'm just going to use them right on top of the breakfast sandwich as it's air frying. Because it is fully cooked, we just want to make it a little bit crisp. I'm going to use 4 eggs. Here's the bacon strips, still cold yet. Some cheese. Of course, cheese goes on top of your pizza. Little chipotle. I'm using raspberry chipotle Tabasco, and that's a nice flavor for breakfast. A little dill, nice fresh dill, and some pepper. And I found these nice bakery buns that are already sliced, and they're a nice substantial size, a little bit bigger than a hamburger bun. So we're going to start by getting them on the rack in the Power XL. First, I took a couple of the racks out of the oven. I'm just going to use one wire rack here, and that allows the air to go through both sides. So we'll take 2 of the buns. And already sliced, you can see how nice they are. Good size, a little floury. We're going to press into the bun a little bit to make an indentation for the eggs. So leave a rim around the outside like a pizza crust would be, but just make yourself a little dent. And you can do it on the top and bottom. We're going to make pizzas out of the top and bottom of these rolls. And they fit nicely on this rack. Okay, that was easy. Alright, let's put it in and warm them up a little bit first before we add the eggs. Pot's in here. There we go. Now we turn this on. There's a lot of presets, but we're going to go with 370 degrees, and we're going to change the time over here to 7 minutes just to get these warmed up. There's time adjustment on this side and a temperature adjustment on that side. It starts right up for you. In the meantime, we're going to get the other stuff ready here. Alright, I have this in here for 2 minutes just to get the bread warmed up a little. That way it'll cook the egg faster. It's a little bit toasty. Alright, I want to crack each egg. And I think it is very helpful. Just going to make sure there's enough of a indentation here. The egg. Ooh, these are extra large. That's a double. I think the yolk, the one yolk broke and the other one's. It's a tight squeeze until these things start to cook. We'll have to be really careful. This one had a double yolk and one of the yolks broke, but that's all right. While the air fryer is still hot, we're going to get this back in there very carefully. Am I in the right? We'll let it continue for the next 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add some bacon. Alright, I just want to show you inside the oven here. The eggs are starting to cook. You can see them glistening a little bit. And when they get to be a little bit more solid, I'm going to add the bacon on top. Looking good. Looks like breakfast. Okay, I'm going to take these out right now. I think they're solid enough that they won't spill. They're all starting to form egg whites around the edges. I'm going to add a little seasoning here. We'll go with some dill. And then some black pepper. And bacon. Now, as I said, this is pre-cooked bacon. So we're just going to lay some on here. Let the air fryer do its job while it's cooking the eggs. Kind of want to act quickly because you don't want everything to cool down. Okay, put it back in there. Good to go. We're going to add a little bit of time here now. Let's take that up to 5 more minutes. You have to judge by the size of your egg how long you're going to keep it in there, just to make sure it's done. Now there's 1 or 2 minutes left. But I'm going to remove this because I can see the eggs are cooking really good here. Can you see that? Alright, I'm going to take a slice of, first I'm going to take a little Tabasco sauce here. Give them a little shot. Okay, then we're going to cover them with a slice of cheese just like a pizza. So good and hot. Let's get it back in and melt the cheese. Alright, we're down to 1 minute, but most importantly, keep an eye on that cheese. Check this out. Ho, ho, ho. Look at that. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? Alright, let's take these off. They're crispy, they're loaded. Alright, you can use your crust to dip into the nice egg yolks. Enjoy the taste of bacon and eggs in the form of a breakfast pizza. That's really good. Rick, come and get it. You're going to love the bacon here.
Alright.
Okay, thanks for watching our videos. We're learning with our new air fryer some new recipes. Hope you like this one. Thanks for watching.